Hi, hello, my dear students. Welcome to my video lecture class. So, up to now, I discussed three lectures based upon equations of motion. So, if any body moves in uniform accelerated motion, that means body moves with constant acceleration, then it will satisfy four equations of motion. These four equations of motion, three equations of motion we discussed in previous three lectures. Now I would like to discuss fourth equation of motion. Fourth equation. That fourth equation is fourth equation. Distance traveled by a body in nth second. Distance traveled by body in nth second. Distance traveled by body in nth second. Sn is equal to, that is indicated by Sn. For example, let us consider a car here. So, or otherwise, if you consider one body on the road, it is moving on the road. If it is a body is moving on the road. Okay, it travels 5 seconds, certain distance. It travels certain distance. Example, 10 meters distance in 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Total 5 seconds travel distance is 10 meters. This is position A. This is position B. Body starts from A and it is moving to B. The total distance traveled is 10 meters and total time taken is 5 seconds. So how the problems are asked here? Distance traveled by body in first second. Distance traveled by body in second. How much distance traveled by body in second? Distance traveled by body in fourth second. Distance traveled by body in fifth second. Like that problems are asked here. That particular second, particular fifth second, we need to find distance traveled by body. Total distance traveled means you apply second equation. What is second equation? S is equal to ut plus half at square. What is total distance traveled by body in particular time means you should apply second equation. Distance traveled by body in nth second means you apply here fourth equation. This is very important. Total distance traveled means S, indicated by S. Particular second distance traveled by body is, you should take Sn. This is very important. How to derive this one? Sn. Let us consider now. I take here, this is a body, this is moves to here after some time. After total time taken for this body is n seconds. In n seconds it is moves from A to B. So first second, this is first second, second, third, fourth, and so on. This is n minus 1 second. This is n second. In total n seconds it will travel this distance. The travel this distance is some s distance is traveled, s meters distance is traveled in n seconds. If a body is traveled from A to B, total time is n seconds, total distance is s meters. What we need to find here? Distance traveled in nth second. How we got distance traveled in nth second? Distance traveled in nth second is equal to nth second. Distance traveled in nth second. Distance traveled in nth second is equal to total distance traveled by body. Total distance traveled by body. Total distance traveled by body minus distance traveled by body. Distance traveled by a body in n minus 1 seconds. Total distance traveled by body in n seconds minus distance traveled by body, total distance traveled by body in n minus 1 second. Observe carefully. why I am write this formula for finding distance traveled by body in nth second. Simple logic here. I told that logic. I'll tell this logic. You got a clear idea. So how I am write this formula here. Observe carefully. Body is travel like this. Consider body. It travel some 4 seconds. Total time taken for the body is 4 seconds. So 4 seconds. This is A. This is B. 4 seconds. This is first second, second, third second. This is fourth second. Okay, 4 seconds, total 4 seconds. It traveled from A to B here. So what we need to find? Distance traveled by body in fourth second. Distance traveled by a body in fourth second. How we got? Total distance traveled by body in 4 seconds. Total distance traveled by body. Total distance. For example, total distance traveled minus distance traveled by body in 3 seconds. We got here distance traveled by body in fourth second. This is very important, friend. We want to find fourth second means total distance traveled minus distance traveled by body in 3 seconds. Distance traveled by body in 4 seconds. Distance traveled by body 4 seconds minus distance traveled by body by a body in 3 seconds. So this formula we apply, you got here. So distance traveled by body in fourth second. Like this, here also we apply this formula. For example, in the question asking distance traveled by body in third second. Asking means how we find here total distance traveled by body minus distance traveled by body in 3 seconds. We got here distance traveled by body in third second. This is very important, ma. Like these questions, whenever like these questions are given, should apply this formula. So total distance traveled by body minus distance traveled by body in n minus 1 seconds. This is total distance, ma. This is distance traveled by body n minus 1 second. Then we got this distance traveled by body in nth second or not. We got distance traveled by body in nth second or not. This is total distance. This is distance traveled by body in n minus 1 seconds. This is the distance traveled by body in n minus 1 seconds. So total distance minus distance traveled by body in n minus 1 seconds. We got distance traveled by body in nth second. This is very important. So now distance traveled by body in n seconds minus distance traveled by body in n minus 1 second is the formula. That means distance traveled by body in n seconds. What is distance formula? Distance is equal to formula ut plus half at square. Distance is equal to formula s is equal to ut plus half at square. This is formula. Now what we need to find here? Distance traveled by a body in n seconds. In n seconds means n value is here. T is equal to substitute n. So apply ut means u into n plus half into at square means a into n square minus distance traveled by body in n minus 1 seconds. That means here t is equal to n minus 1. T is equal to, from this formula, t is equal to what they given, ma? Time is n minus 1 seconds. Substitute that. That u into t value is n minus 1 plus half into, here minus is there, that's why open bracket. So half into a into n minus 1 whole square. N minus 1 whole square. Then we got here u into n is un plus half into an square minus u into n un minus 1 into u minus u plus a by 2 into n minus 1 whole square means n square plus 1 minus 2n, because a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Next what we got here? Un plus an square by 2 minus un, minus into minus plus u, minus into plus minus a by 2 into n square plus 1 minus 2n. So from this, what we got here, ma? S is equal to un. So observe carefully here. Un plus an square by 2 minus un is there. That means plus un minus un going to be cancelled. What is left here? An square by 2. An square by 2 plus, sorry, minus is there here. Thus an square by 2 and plus u is left here, plus u, and minus a by 2 into n square plus 1 minus 2n. Observe. Plus un minus un going to be cancelled here. What is left data here? An square by 2 plus u minus a by 2 into n square plus 1 minus 2n. This is left here. So now an square by 2 plus u minus into plus minus an square by 2 minus a by 2 into plus 1. We got minus a by 2. Minus into minus plus a by 2 into 2n. A by 2 into 2n. This is we got. And what we got? An square by 2 minus an square by 2 going to be cancelled. Plus an square by 2 minus an square by 2 going to be cancelled. We got here u minus a by 2. Here 2 going to be cancelled. This 2 going to be cancelled here. This is 2n na. 2 times here, 1 time here going to be cancelled. Minus a by 2, a into n plus an. So then finally we got here u. This plus a, here a is there, here a is there, a is common it. Then we got here n minus 1 by 2. That means Sn we got. Sn is equal to, what is formula here? U plus a into n minus 1 by 2. Sn means what, ma? Distance traveled by body in nth second. Distance traveled by a body in nth second. Distance traveled by body in nth second is called Sn here. Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus 1 by 2. Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus 1 by 2. So this is formula, and you can write like this also. Sn is equal to, you take LCM here, u plus LCM means this 2 will be a into 2n minus 1 by 2 we got. If you take LCM, then we got u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. This we write the formula, Sn formula like this also. Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus 1 by 2, or Sn is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Well, distance traveled by body in nth second, we got u plus a into n minus 1 by 2 or u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. So this is derivation for this question. So I hope you are all understood this lecture. What we are doing in beginning step, what we are doing here. If given problem, distance traveled by body in nth second, they are asking in the problem, you should apply simply total distance traveled by body minus distance traveled by body in n minus 1 second. For example, question is asking distance traveled by body in 4th second. They are asking means total distance traveled by body in 4 seconds minus total distance traveled by body in 3 seconds. Okay, we got here distance traveled by body in 4th second. For example, in the question they are asking distance traveled by body in 5th second means how to find total distance traveled by 5 seconds minus total distance traveled by body in 4 seconds, because n seconds n minus 1, because 5 here 5 minus 1 means 4. So this is a simple thing here. So if any question is asking like this, you are apply this formula. So I hope you all are understood. For understanding purpose, distance traveled by body in nth second means you should choose directly apply this formula. U plus a into n minus 1 by 2. U plus a into n minus 1 by 2 here. U is equal to initial velocity. A is equal to acceleration. N is equal to what we need to find here. Nth second, for example, fourth second means you apply 4 here. Okay. So this is derivation for fourth equation. Totally, I explained 4 equations of motion in 4 lectures. Please go through it because these equations of motion is very important. If any body moves in uniform accelerated motion, then it satisfies these 4 equations. I hope you all are understood my lecture. So for the coming lecture, I discuss problem based upon this 4th equation. So follow the lectures, and if you have any doubt, please mention in comment box. So whether I saw that comment, definitely I'll prepare. So whatever you want videos you mentioned in comment box, definitely next videos I should made based upon that comment box. So friends, so be focused. This physics is very easy if you know the concept. Whether you know the concept, it is easy to understood any problem. So first of all, learn concept. If you learn concept, this physics is very easy. So I hope you are all understood. Thank you.